morning, everyone. Say good morning, everyone.
Morning, everyone.
So, Matt and I, we're getting ready for the day. We're like, that is a lot of noise in the kitchen. Oh, you stop it. And we come out of our room to see pancakes made.
I woke up at 10 o'clock. I was hungry. My raccoon was whining about being hungry and wanted chocolate. I made
Your raccoon was whining about being hungry.
Yep.
Go put the raccoon down while you're cooking in my kitchen. We don't let animals in the kitchen. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That's hot. That is hot. I just got chocolate chips, but it's hot.
I put in chocolate chips
I'm gonna get a fork.
because chocolate chips are good.
All right, we're gonna try a Madeline chocolate chip pancake.
This one's for Rebecca because it's tiny.
All right, you know what? I'm gonna go to Matt and have him hold this plate. Can you grab that? Thanks. Guys, I can't cut and hold the camera at the same time. Will you please cut my pancake for me? Or hey, why don't you try it? So she put chocolate chips in them. A lot. You want me to try first? I'll try first. Is it hot?
Probably.
It just came off the burner.
Okay, those are good. Alright, now you try them. She did good? Like, those don't even need syrup.
Come look at this one. It's really pretty.
Good job, Madeline! So once we're done consuming Madeline's chocolate chip pancakes, because they're amazing, I'm gonna make Matt some coffee. Matt wants coffee, right?
Yeah.
I can make him some instant coffee.
But first, coffee. No, Madeline. Dear, honey, watch out. The pot is already set. I just have to turn it on.
Oh,
Haha.
look, the one behind you. It's really pretty.
Yeah, the one behind me is really pretty.
No, the pancake behind you.
The child behind me is pretty too. Okay, tell me, do you think she's pretty? Does everybody think she's pretty? And not like in a weird way, if y'all know what I mean. Okay, that is a pretty pancake. Alright, so, as you may have seen in some of the couple shots that I've shown of the kitchen so far this morning, haha, it's a mess. Because last night, or yesterday, not even last night, yesterday at lunch, we go to make lunch, and all of a sudden, lo and behold, a mysterious leak appears. And apparently we've had a slow leak that we didn't know about because like we went to take care of it. And yeah, so now we're gonna have to, we're not gonna be able to like replace this right now, like all of it, but we're gonna have to go under here and do some repairs. Thankfully Matt is pretty familiar with doing plumbing. He builds plumbing at his work. He's done side plumbing jobs before. But yeah, so today we're gonna have to deal with that and get it to where it's not leaking. Our goal when we get our income tax check is we're actually going to redo the kitchen plumbing because oh my word, don't you agree? Like whoever did that, it was awful, right? Can you explain that? I know I just got you right in a mouthful of food. So what's the deal with the kitchen plumbing other than the fact that like it's dripping now and we don't know why?
It wasn't
Hey, Mom.
put
Hold
back
on.
together right.
Hey, hold on, Madeline, let that talk.
It wasn't put back together right, so it needs some work.
Yeah. And then the problem with the girls' bathroom, I'm not going to show you. We've actually got it sealed off and not using it right now because the original part of our house was built in 72, 76.
I don't remember.
Yeah. Guess what? The last owners never caulked the tile on the walls. Yeah, so we can't use the girls' bathroom until we take all the tile out and clean it out and completely redo their bathroom. Like all the plumbing in their bathroom is having issues. The tile work. So we've got like a ton of work to do on their bathroom. but that's a big job and we also need time to do it. And right now we don't have the time to do it. We don't have like a massive funds to dump into it without like going into major debt. So yeah, so we're planning on redoing this kitchen plumbing in here. But for now, we're just gonna get it to where it's not dripping because mold, ew. Warning, hi, I have some Jedi in my kitchen. So we're gonna work on that. Next thing we're gonna work on is we had the office completely done. I will come back, Jedis, give me a minute. We had the office completely done before Christmas. And then we had, well, I'll just show you. So we had the table out to do crafts on for Christmas. We had them out to do for SCA events. And now we're having to go through. So one thing about like being in the SCA is that, I mean, you have a persona and it's a different person. So it's kind of like you actually, the best way to explain it is like, it's actually like having another person in your home. There's already 5 of us. So now it's like having 10 people in our home clothing wise. So my part of today is I've got to go through the SCA totes, get rid of any garb the kids have outgrown, and then I'm going to swap out my MOC tote, which is in the closet, and our garb tote, because Matt and I have found that we actually need at least 2 to 3 changes, and right now we have like 1 work outfit and 1 court outfit, but we need like 2 to 3 nice outfits for weekend long events that are like two full days of events that are coming up. Like we have one, we think, if we can make it, we have one in May. The other fun part is that this closet, which is why this is not a bedroom, is because this closet is not designed for a bedroom, and it's the coldest room in the house in the winter and the hottest room in the house in the summer. It's a really nice storage closet. We managed to get our 3 Christmas boxes up there. Until we get a storage shed, we're just gonna have to have Christmas boxes. You know, try to keep it condensed down to those 3. That's my fall decor. And this is why we don't do a lot of decorating for the other holidays. I don't have anywhere to put it right now. Our goal is to build a storage shed to get most of this is camping. To get all this camping stuff and the big cooler out of here. That's my MOC tote. To get all the camping stuff out of here and into a storage shed. We've got room on our property to build it. We just haven't had time. But now that life is kind of like, you know, getting to where we can do projects like this, then that is our current goal, is we are going to get all of this, you know, taken care of and organized today. We're probably actually going to be taking this shelf completely out and moving it to the kitchen because we have a greater need for storage in the kitchen now that Matt is doing more cooking things for recreation and at home. But yeah, so we're going to work on that. We're going to get this taken care of today and get it back to functioning so I can actually work at my desk and get that work done and get all this done. But first, and we've also got to get this kitchen back together because like I'm behind on dishes now desperately from not having time to, or not being able to wash dishes yesterday at all. Hi. Wow, that gown is really ripped. You need to get a new gown. Why do you keep wearing that gown? We need to get you a new gown. It's ripped in like multiple places. Look at the pancake.
It's got chocolate chips.
Rebecca, did you use the force and make your pancake disappear somewhere?
No, I can see it.
Well, where is your pancake then? Where did it disappear to?
In my belly.
I'm trying to hold the camera while I have gloves on. I rarely wear gloves. So I started the day with laundry. I try to start every day that we're home with laundry. And then because I had a couple big pieces of trash to take off in the car or in the office, we're cleaning out the trash from the carport. And
Head fell off.
one of the pig's heads fell off.
The rock pig. They're broke. Or one of them. The other one's okay.
Did it, like, somebody throw something on it? Or
No. Something happened to it. Like a storm or something.
we can fix it probably, Sarah. If not, we can get a new one, okay? Well, take it to Dad and see if it can be fixed. Dig it out from the leaves. But yeah, so and still trying to get the kids outside more. They're working outside, and Matt and I have to get stuff done inside, but they're like right within earshot, because like they're gonna be working on the carport and we're gonna be like right there. So, and I'm gonna periodically check on them, and I'm gonna be hauling stuff off. So they're gonna work on carport, we're gonna work on the office.
Yes.
You're taking a nap. Well, you're not really taking a nap, but I need to know if you still fit in that sleeping bag or not. You're gonna have to take coat and shoes off. Okay, take a nap. Really, dog? Really? Go lay down. His bed's piled up. I don't think she fits the kid's sleeping bag anymore.
She fits.
Honey, her feet are right here at the end.
Cut them off.
We're not cutting off your feet.
We'll get you a new burrito wrapper.
Do you want a new burrito wrapper?
Sure.
The office back together. I'm finally able to get somewhat back over to my desk. Probably going to take this table down this week because we're not having any projects that we're working on right now. The kids' corner, of course, got messed up, but I mean, it's not too big of a deal. They can fix that back. Matt and I had to get some tools out to get the sink temporarily fixed until we can get it done. So this room is pretty much done, and I'm calling it done for the night. So now we've got dishes to get caught back up on, but now it's kids are taking showers, so that's gonna have to wait. This got moved out here. I'm not in a huge rush to put anything on this yet. Getting laundry turned over, and a puppy. There's a puppy. There's a puppy. Ooh, yellow light. So, yeah, he's not too thrilled with us right now because it's been like really busy in and out of the house, and he hates that. Now I'm gonna work on laundry. There it is. I'm gonna work on laundry while the kids are in and out of the tub, and from there they're going to bed. Long but productive day today. 2 of the girls are in bed. 1 is in the shower finishing up right now. Matt's relaxing, and so I'm taking some me time to get caught up on some work real quick, and then I'm gonna go to bed. And it's like 8 o'clock and I'm ready for bed after a long busy day, but it's been a good day. So thanks for following along. We will see you next time.